Everyone, welcome to Wise Academy. If this is the first time you are seeing this video, kindly click on that subscribe button, like this video, and follow us. Now, today we're discussing Pascal Triangle. Now, what is Pascal Triangle? Pascal Triangle is a theory in mathematics that helps us to carry out binomial expansion in simplified way. Now, imagine you are doing this now, 2x plus 2y, this one of 2. You know this is same thing as 2x plus 2y, 2x plus 2y. Now, if you want to expand this, you go one part starting and you take it to the other part. So this equals to 2x plus 2y plus 2y, 2x plus 2y. Now, in our simple expansion, we just multiply 2. Your 2x multiplied 2x is 4x squared. Your 2x multiplied 2y is equal to 4xy. Your 2y multiplied your 2x, same as 4xy, and your 2y's multiplied your 2y is equal as 4y squared. Now, going further, this becomes 4x squared. Your 4xy plus 4xy will give you 8xy plus 4y squared. So this becomes the product of the final expansion. Now, you see the steps we went through now in this expansion. Now, if you are not giving this 2x plus 2y, this is the power of 4, this becomes 2x 2y, 2x 2y, plus 2y. Now, if this case, we went through to expand this, and now we are now come to expand this. Before you take this together and expand to get this, we now expand this with this. You can find this case you are going through. That is why we are now using what we call the Pascal Triangle for simple expansion. Now, take a look at this. 2x plus 2y squared a plus b squared. Look at this, look at this. You can lay this together. When you lay this together, you show that your a in this case refers to your 2x, and your b in this case refers to your 2y. In other words, the highest power is 2, the same thing as here. So, Pascal Triangle can help us do this expansion in a more simpler manner. Now, how do we go about Pascal Triangle? A Pascal Triangle, a plus b, this power of 0 is 1. Now, there's no magic here. We all know that in mathematics, everything's power of 0 is 1. A plus b, this power of 0, this power of 1, becomes 1, 1 in the Pascal Triangle. A plus b, this power of 2, because now your expansion now in this case is ending with 1. So what if you bring 1 here now, starting? You don't add this one, you add from the previous one, you add the number that follows, so the one that comes before. That is the successor, we add the predecessor, and we fall down to the next one. So in this case, here is 1, there is 1, so it becomes 1 plus 1, 2. Here becomes 1. Now when it's raised to the power of 3, Here becomes 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. 1 plus 2 is 3. This becomes 1. So, coming down, raised to the power of 4, this becomes 1. 3 plus 1, 4. 3 plus 3, 6. 1 plus 3, 4. Then every 1. Also, when you have other power, this is power of 5. Okay, let's just go over 5. Then becomes A plus B, this is the power of 5. Then becomes 1. 4 plus 1 is 5. 6 plus 4 is 10. 4 plus 6 is 10. 1 plus 4 is 5. So this becomes your expansion when it has 5 as the highest power. Now, coming back to this example, 2x plus 2y. Raised to the power of 2. Let's expand this now using our Pascal triangle. Now Pascal triangle now, the x power here is 2. So let's take 2. This is what we consider now. But this way has the x power of 2. So in this case, your multiplication and your expansion coefficient becomes 1, 2, 1. So this will you to what we have there. This is A, this is our A, and this is our B now. So we start with our first correspondent. This is our A now, which is now 2s. So we place it here, 2x, 2x, 2x. Now, after placing this way, you introduce your power. This power is there, you introduce it to it. But as this power go further, it will reduce to your first correspondent, which is your A now. So this becomes 2, 1, 0. Now we introduce our second correspondent, which is our 2y. Okay, you have to introduce your second correspondent. Now, if you notice one thing now, as the power goes this way, for your first correspondent, it decreases. So, as the power is going this way for your second correspondent, it will increase. So, which makes here 0 equals 2y raised to the power of 0, 2y raised to the power of 1, and 2y raised to the power of 2. Then you bring down your sign. Now, anything raised to the power of 0 is 1. So 2y here raised to the power of 0 is 1. 1 multiplied 1 is 1. So this brings us to 2x squared. So this becomes 2x squared plus this is just the power of 1. This is power of 1. This is power of 1. So this becomes 2 into 2x and into 2y. Now, your x in this case is just the power of 0. So your x in this case becomes 1. So this means to only 2y squared. So this becomes 2y squared. Now, let's expand now and see if we have the same answer with what we have in our previous expansion of this same example. Now, 2x squared is the power of 2. 2x is the power of 2 because 2 has this power to it and x has this power to it. So here because 2 this power of 2 is 4 and s Now, coming back to the other part, 2s multiply 2y is same as your 2 multiply 2, which is now 4sy. Then when you multiply 2 outside, it becomes 8xy plus your 2y, this power of 2 becomes 4y squared. Now, this is the answer we got when we did our entire expansion. You can see it now, 4x squared plus 8xy plus 4y squared. So we have our final answer in our normal expansion. And now using Pascal Triangle, we are having the same answer. So you agree with me that Pascal Triangle can help us to simplify further. Now let's do another example. If you are interested in the next example, you will follow up in our next video.